Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen from around the globe. First of all, I would like to thank you all for being a part of this session. My name is Nirmal Singh from Dynamic World Education Community, working as an education counselor, and today I'm going to host this session. So, before starting this session, I want to highlight what our mission and vision is. Our mission is to improve the lives of people by providing equal and fair opportunities while continuously fighting exploitation. This is our approach and agenda. Friends, we usually get many queries from the students related to the courses, fees, jobs availability, study destination and many more. एज ए एजुकेशन काउंसलर मैं डेली काउंसल करता हूँ आप जैसे स्टूडेंट्स को, बट मैंने ऑब्जर्व करा है कि मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स की जो जनरिक क्वेरीज होती हैं, लाइक बेस्ट कोर्सेज क्या हैं या फीस कैसे रहेगी, स्कॉलरशिप एक्सेट्रा. सो ये क्वेरीज आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे. बट इसके अलावा मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपको और भी चीज़ें पता चलें जो स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पता होती, बट जब वो लैंड करते हैं अब्रॉड में एंड देन वहाँ पे वो एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं. So we took an initiative on priority basis to do a QA session on behalf of all students so that they can get the proper information and details while choosing any course option from this platform, and we will be able to help maximum students. So आज हम generic questions पे discuss करेंगे, but we will come up with full country wise videos like Canada, New Zealand and Australia as soon as possible. So please do not subscribe and do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and relatives who is looking for study abroad. So today we have Miss Pooja, CEO and founder of Dynamic World Education Community in house. So Dynamic World Education Community has counseled over 33,000 students around globe and having over 3,000 universities and colleges in their list. So I would like to thank Miss Pooja to give us her precious time, and today you be a part of this discussion. She has more than 15 years of experience in international study affairs, and today she is going to share her experience with us, that what type of challenges and myths came across in students' mind while planning to study abroad. So I request all of you to be with us till the end of this session, and I assure that you will get all of your queries answered. But if you have any additional questions, kindly feel free to drop on your queries in chat box or comment box. I'm again requesting, if you find any additional queries, so drop it in comment box or chat box, and we will answer all the questions in the question and answer round. So without wasting the time, let's start the session. So hello Pooja.
Hi, Nirmal.
Yeah, so I'm going to ask you, all the questions on the behalf of students. So let's start with the question and answer round.
Yes, of course. First of all, thank you
Yeah.
so much.
So my
Uh,
first question is that,
this platform today
yeah,
for all the students who come to us for different queries all the year round. So let us start with what questions you have got for me today, and then we can come to the students and answer their queries at the end of the session.
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली. सो मैंने
Yes.
क्वेश्चन सबसे मेजरली हमारे वही रखे हैं जो हमारी क्वेरी सबसे ज्यादा आती हैं, बेसिक वो जनरिक क्वेरी जैसे स्टूडेंट के माइंड में सबसे पहले जो स्ट्राइक करता है, तो मैंने उन्हीं
Mhm.
के बिहाफ पे वही क्वेश्चंस रखे हैं. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट, व्हाट आर द मेजर कंट्रीज स्टूडेंट शुड अडॉप्ट.
See, major countries, the student should opt. The first three major countries are USA, UK, Canada. Then comes Australia, New Zealand, and a lot of students are now attracted towards Europe as well. It completely depends on the budget, lifestyle, interest of the student, where they want to go.
Okay. The second question is that, what all I should know before choosing any specific country and courses.
The first of all, you should know why are you planning your overseas education. Do you want to settle overseas? Do you want to come back? What your budget is, how are you going to handle your finances, what are the job opportunities after you complete your education there, what kind of immigration policies the country has, what is the future growth opportunities, cultural, weather, and all this. So these
Okay.
are the major factors you should consider before you plan your overseas education.
ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, सो आपको सबसे पहले ये चीज़ देखनी चाहिए, व्हाइल चूजिंग एनी स्टडी डेस्टिनेशन. आप ऐसे मत देखिए कि वहाँ पे ये ब्यूटी है, यहाँ पे इतनी अर्निंग्स होती हैं, सो इस चीज़ में मत जाइएगा. सबसे पहले अपना प्रोफाइल एसेस करवाइए, एंड ये चीज़ आपको देखनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. वेदर, कल्चर, जैसे पूजा ने बताया, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या वहाँ पे, फ्यूचर ग्रोथ कैसे रहने वाली है. सो यस. Okay, so next question is that what is the cost of studying and living abroad?
See, cost of studying and living abroad completely depends on the country, the city of choice, universities, and also the major factor is the living style of the students. So different countries have different budgets. So the budget can start from as low as 3 lakh rupees and can go up to 50 to 60 lakh and and once a year as well. So where you fall, what your budget allows, and how what is your lifestyle completely depends on students.
Okay. सो स्टूडेंट्स का लाइक वो ड्रीम कर सकते हैं, जैसे हर किसी का होता है कि बाहर पढ़ना है हमें, एंड दे वांट वांट टू स्टडी अब्रॉड. बट इनिशियली जो स्टूडेंट्स, मेरी बात होती थी, अगर बाहर पढ़ने का कभी भी बात होती है जैसे, तो हमेशा सोचते हैं कि इसमें बहुत खर्चा है. अगर मैं अपने बारे में बताऊं कि मैं भी पहले सोचता था यस, अगर मुझे बाहर पढ़ना है तो आई शुड हैव एटलीस्ट 20 to 30 लाख इन माई पॉकेट, ओनली देन आई कैन ड्रीम. बट यस, अब ऐसा नहीं है. लो बजट कंट्रीज भी हैं और बहुत अच्छे कोर्सेज भी अवेलेबल हैं.
Exactly.
सो 3 lakhs आपने कहा कि मिनिमम एटलीस्ट इतना रहता है.
3 lakh is the minimum where you can gain an admission for a year overseas.
Okay.
But then, of course, that will not be a USA or Canada. It will be one of the European countries where the budget is low. And if you're targeting countries like USA, the minimum budget starts from 20-25 lakh rupees per year.
Okay.
Yes.
So next question is like, how do I save money when studying abroad?
How do you save money? You know, you have to act very wise, responsible at the same time, and value the money your parents are investing on you. Right.
Okay.
So studying abroad for students sometimes becomes expensive if your lifestyle if your lifestyle is not under your control. But if you really want to control your finances, you should opt in for options like share accommodation or sharing accommodation and rent with friends. Eat most of the home cooked food and not just every day go to McDonald's or Domino's or outside food. Consider purchasing at a concession travel card there, as traveling is expensive, and also support yourself by doing a part-time job.
Great. So part-time job जो रहती है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, लाइक वो कहाँ कर सकते हैं जॉब, लाइक कोई कंपनीज और लाइक
There are a lot of companies who offer part-time jobs. There are sometimes you get a job in Joffrey. Okay. But sometimes the students have a lot of options, working in restaurants, petrol pumps,
okay,
or with startups where they can actually spend time, and get paid as per their hourly wages.
Okay. So इसमें लाइक उनका लिविंग है अपना, वो पॉकेट मनी मंथली निकाल लेते हैं, राइट?
Easily.
Good. Next is there any scholarship and free education available?
Of course. So let us talk about USA. For the academic year 22-23, we have more than 1,100 scholarships available at USA's top universities for international students. The scholarships also provide average monthly stipend of $2,000 along with the tuition fees, accommodation charges, health insurance, and travel allowances. That means 80% of the cost of studying and living abroad can be covered through financial assistance and scholarships.
Okay. So friends, I wish कि हम 99% आपकी क्वेरीज आज यहाँ पे कंप्लीट कर दें, जितने भी आपके क्वेश्चंस माइंड में स्ट्राइक कर रहे होंगे. बट यस, इफ यू हैव एनी एडिशनल क्वेश्चन और क्वेरीज, डू नॉट राइट ऑन चैट बॉक्स और कमेंट बॉक्स, एंड श्योरली इस सेशन के बाद फिर हम वो सारे आंसर्स आपको देंगे उसमें. एंड जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि आज हम जो जेनरिक हमने जो बनाई है, मैंने पूरे अक्रॉस द ग्लोब जेनरिक को क्वेरीज बनाई है. बट यस, कंट्री वाइज वी विल कम आउट विद द वीडियो, एंड उसमें प्रॉपर डिटेल में बताएंगे, लाइक जैसे कनाडा, कि कनाडा में क्या स्टडी हम कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, देन यूके, वन बाय वन. बट आज दिस इज आर द जनरल क्वेश्चंस जो स्टडी अब्रॉड में स्टूडेंट्स को पता होने चाहिए, व्हाइल चूजिंग एनी डेस्टिनेशन. ओके, यस. सो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे इवन मैंने भी फेस करा है, स्टूडेंट्स बोलते हैं कि हम IELTS एग्जाम नहीं देना चाहते हैं. सो IELTS क्योंकि वो डरते हैं, क्योंकि इंग्लिश मुझे नहीं देना है, या कुछ ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटीज या कॉलेजेस मिले जहाँ पे IELTS वेवर मिल जाए. तो एक बार IELTS के बारे में बताइएगा स्टूडेंट्स को.
Of course.
Yeah.
See, It is not, sometimes students इसलिए ITS नहीं करना चाहते हैं because they feel that ITS is tough to crack.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes students के ऊपर इतना pressure होता है ITS crack करने का कि वो even after having a good command over English, they still fail to get the desired module percentage, the scores, right? So I think regular practice sessions, regular mock tests would always improve a student's command over English and will help them crack the ITS examination, right? I would also like to say this is my experience. We have seen instances where students want a waiver in ITS, right?
Okay.
But please understand, if you really work towards your ITS and English command, this is just not going to help you secure your admission in a country, a foreign land, but also help you gain visa and at the same time help you settle in the foreign country. You would need to communicate with people abroad, overseas. You need to work part time and full time there. Where English is a must. Not people communicating in your language. So English being a universal language is very, very important, and that is the reason it is a must for most of the countries. There is nothing which is called impossible. Impossible itself has I am possible in its in its own word. So
Yes.
please, if you are facing any issues with ITS, please connect with us. We have a training session scheduled at Dynamic Academy where you will find unlimited practice sessions, unlimited hours of practice, experienced teachers, unlimited mock tests, and a proper structured training which will help you crack your ITS.
Okay, great. Now I just want to know the duration of courses. Like there's a bachelor's, master's, and diplomas. So duration कितना रहता है इनका?
Duration of courses completely depend करता है on the university and the country. If you talk about certificate program will last up to 6 months. Anything beyond 8 months will be a graduate certificate. Right.
Okay.
And a graduate certificate is a 1 year, is equivalent to a 1 year program. Then there are master's degrees available in 1 year and 2 years program. Bachelors are almost 4 years degree overseas. There are few programs in Canada after the grade 12 where you can where you can opt for a college diploma for 2 years. Take some work experience post that, and again you can top up your education with advanced diploma, and then continue with your master's degree.
Okay.
Right. So every course, depending on your choice and interest, will have a different duration.
Great. And is there any like post-study work permit rights for students? Like once they suppose अगर मैंने बैचलर करी है वहाँ पे, अगर मैं एज अ स्टूडेंट जा रहा हूँ और मैंने बैचलर प्रोग्राम करा, तो उसके बाद मुझे डायरेक्ट वापस आना पड़ेगा या फिर मुझे कुछ वर्किंग राइट्स मिलेंगे वहाँ पे?
देखो ये अगेन जो रूल्स है, इमिग्रेशन रूल्स हैं, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट रूल्स हैं, वो कंट्री टू कंट्री डिपेंड करते हैं. Let's talk about UK. So first, the UK post study work visa is available for 2 years during which you can seek employment in UK. This means that the UK post study visa cannot be extended. However,
Okay.
if you find an appropriate job which meets the requirement of the skilled work route, you can switch into a skilled work and remain in the UK. When it comes to Canada, Canada is considered to be most immigration friendly country. Canada, and this is the reason most of the students are attracted towards Canada. So if you go for a study in Canada for a year, you will get another 1 year of post study work permit. If you go for a 2 years program, you will get additional 3 years. That means you get a 5 years program, 5 years stay in Canada, which automatically makes you eligible to 5 year permanent residency in Canada. Now, similarly, when it comes to USA, right, there are two types of stay visa. One is an F1 visa, which allows a student to stay up to maximum of 12 years after post completion of studies for a non-STEM degree. Now, there is also another category which comes under a STEM degrees. Now, STEM is the courses covered under STEM are science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. which allows a student to apply for a 24-month extension of their course completion, optional practice training. So इस period में अगर आपको job मिल जाती है, you are eligible to get your visa extension within 24 months. If not, then you will have to come back to India.
Okay.
But every country allows you and gives you sufficient time to educate and find.
Okay.
So that's about the major countries right now. We can talk in detail about the work permit policies of each country in our when we actually talk about country immigration rules.
ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंगली देखा जाए तो मैक्सिमम जो कंट्रीज हैं वो वर्क परमिट देती ही हैं.
Of course, every country will allow you to stay after your graduation or after your bachelor's in their country for a maximum of 2 to 3 years.
ओके. सो एक क्वेरी मेरे पास आई है स्टूडेंट की. उन्होंने पूछा हुआ है कि अगर कनाडा में, सपोज कनाडा में जैसे इमिग्रेशन की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटीज हैं, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स कनाडा इसलिए ही टारगेट करते हैं कि वहाँ पे सेटल्ड हों, या फिर स्टडी क्वालिटी है रिकॉग्नाइज ग्लोबली?
See, we talk about Canada, we talk about USA, we talk about Australia or any other country, right? The quality of education is good. It is worldwide recognized. At least we as a consultancy, we as a dynamic community, we ensure that any country we work for or any university we work for, we evaluate the complete content of the courses, we evaluate the lifestyle, culture, work opportunities, and only then refer that to the students.
ओके. सो क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन रहता ही है, इमिग्रेशन समथिंग डिफरेंट, राइट? Is there any internship programs and core programs available, or do college provide job placements?
देखो, internships and co-op programs, like we need to first understand what is internship and what is co-op program, right? So co-op programs allows you to have in-depth experience of your career path. The student and also gives student an alternate paid employment and formal studies. So it is a brilliant opportunity for students to explore career interest. You build your good resume, promote professional development, find good opportunities after your graduation, develop confidence and communication skills. Co-op allows you to gain real world experience while you are in school by working directly with the business. Getting into a co-op is a surefire way to build your resume while earning an extra paycheck. Now, when it comes to internship, the only difference with internship is that sometimes you do not get paid. Though you get an opportunity to explore, and there are numerous fields where internships are available, which includes your engineering, marketing, graphic design, information technology, and many more, which can range from a week to a year. So this is on-job experience, which is very valuable for students. Now, and I guess you asked about job placements as well, right?
Yes.
So many of the students we speak comes to us with a concept of job placements as it is in our India, right? So first we need to understand we do not have a concept called campus placements overseas. It is very different in the foreign land. But they typically arrange career fairs where you get a chance to drop your resume at the company's recruitment booth. Sometimes they offer internships, which allows them to judge the capability of a student. So it is not that there will be companies coming in and you all will sit for examination and they will take bulk students. No, there you have to work with the student coordinator, your coordinator at the university, placement coordinator, who will help you build your resume and guide you on your placement services opportunities.
Okay. So students, I believe कि आपको तो किसी clarification मिली होगी इसके regarding, because this is the one of the most important question usually asked by students, कि हमें jobs के लिए सब secure होना चाहते हैं और yes internship मिलेंगी या नहीं मिलेंगी, but yes आप लोगों को clarity मिल चुकी होगी, तो please इसको लेके confuse मत होइएगा. And till the end of this session, we will try that 99% आपकी जो queries हैं वो सारी solve हों, but still if you have additional queries आप हमें chat box में भी डालिए, और आपको screen पे number shares हो गए होंगे, so you can connect with us and you can get one-to-one counseling from the experts. Okay, so now let's go to the next question. And yes, when I can start applying the course, like for
Okay,
courses?
so every country has different intakes.
Okay.
If we talk about, USA, Canada,
Hmm.
there are three major intakes: Jan, September, and May intake. Right? September being the biggest intake, the largest intake for the year. So if we have to plan our education for any intake, we need to start applying or start the process for just 6 months in advance, so that we can make this smooth, and we have sufficient options and opportunities to explore. And at the end, we should not be short of a time when it comes to visa process.
So it means जो students 2022 intake target कर रहे हैं September. So according to you, what is the best time to apply?
Yes.
So अभी उन्हें like
Sorry, you
yeah,
said what is the best time to
yes,
apply?
अब जैसे coming
This
September
is the
में.
right time.
Okay.
So next 3 months are very crucial if you are really planning to start your education in a foreign land or in a country like USA, Canada, Australia for September 22. There are students who feel that we may start after Jan, Feb, March, after we complete our education on the final year. But this is a time when you should start appear and try and get conditional offers for yourself.
Okay. So friends, if you are planning to for September 2022 intake, so this is the right time to apply, क्योंकि parallelly आपको बहुत चीजें करनी है, आपको भी IELTS एग्जाम भी देना है, you need to get your assessment done, कॉलेज में भी आगे डॉक्यूमेंट्स जाते हैं, वो भी असेस करते हैं आपका प्रोफाइल. So yes, it's a 6 month process, so this is the right time to apply. And my next question is that where should I live during my stay overseas?
So there are a variety of options available. You can consider on-campus and off-campus accommodation for your duration of study overseas. When it comes to international accommodation, we have students will have an option to choose from dormitories, apartments, or single apartments, living with local families. Students can choose the best option based on their personal needs, budget, and choices.
ओके, सो इसमें हम लोग हेल्प करते हैं या वो उनको स्टूडेंट को वहीं जाके कुछ अपना प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है? क्योंकि देखिए, अगर हम किसी और कंट्री में जा रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले डर यही रहता है कि हम अकेले जा रहे हैं. तो अब जैसे हम वहाँ पे लैंड करेंगे, सो व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस वेयर वी नीड टू गो?
You will get a pickup either from the university or your agent. If you have chosen a right agent who will arrange a pick and drop for yourself, right? So you have to go, you have to meet the student coordinator who would guide you further steps and enroll you, complete your enrollment process in the university.
Okay, so means पूरी hand holding रहती है during the studies.
बिल्कुल, there is nothing to worry.
Okay. Can I work while studying?
Yes, of course. Every international student is allowed to work for 20 hours a week while studying. So great opportunity for you to learn, great opportunity for you to explore and support yourself.
Okay. Will I be eligible for permanent residency after completion of my study visa?
This completely depends on your attitude, completely depends on your track record in the country, completely depends on your planning. Or, I would advise connect with an advisor who can actually map your journey right from your education until immigration. Because this is something not what we are saying for the sake of saying. We have done it for students. So when a student comes to us, we ensure that we just do not evaluate their profile. We also help them secure offers, help them with visas, and help them with pre and post departure services. Now, post-departure services, post-landing services does not mean कि बच्चे ने university में admission ले लिया and then you do not have any connect with them. We keep on talking to a student time to time, take the feedback, and we have our own a lot of immigration lawyers in our working with us, associated with us with our community, who help students whenever there is a need, right? So, be it when it comes to your immigration filing, be it your visa extension or converting your visa or filing for your postgraduate work permit, you will always have a hand holding from dynamic world education community. Right.
Okay. So
So,
means they will get all the opportunities under one roof.
yes, they get everything they require. So from start, when they start their journey with us, we do not leave them until we handhold them, and then after that we are ready for their kids.
Okay.
So it's a circle,
Yeah,
we are with them, throughout.
great.
Yes.
Okay, so next question is that will I get airport pickup once I land there?
As I said, completely depends on the university and the agent you have been working with. For us, if somebody needs a support, we do arrange airport pick and drop for the students. Otherwise, the student can easily get a pick and drop from the university by booking it with the university.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much, for your clarifications. एंड नाउ अब जो मैंने क्वेश्चंस निकाले हैं वो है मिथ्स, जो हमेशा स्टूडेंट सोचते हैं बाहर जाने से पहले, और कि एक्चुअल में कि हम ये चीज़ें फेस करेंगे। तो मैंने उसके ऊपर को मेरी कुछ क्वेरीज थी एंड स्टूडेंट ने भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे, तो अब मैं उनके बिहाफ पे ही आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ। विल आई बी गोइंग अलोन, आई एम सॉरी, आई विल बी गोइंग अलोन एंड वोंट नो एनीवन? यस।
सबसे पहले तो you not go alone, right? I know you don't know anyone if you are going there for the first time, but you will always have a lot of students also who will be flying with you for the same intake. And wherever whichever consultancy or agent you are working with, will also, as if we talk about us, we arrange pre-departure sessions for the students, and we exchange numbers of the students traveling for the same intake. So when they go, they have somebody traveling with them, right? So it's not you're traveling alone. और अगर आप ये कहते हो कि you don't know anyone, then as I said, there are other students also traveling with you who are as eager to meet and make new friends. Most study abroad programs also run orientation activities to encourage everyone to meet one another. So the shared experience of studying abroad often cements lifelong friendships.
Yeah. Okay. And next one is I have specific housing needs.
Okay. So many study abroad programs have several living options to choose from, such as universities, dormitories, apartments, living with a host family, and each has its own pros and cons. But the choice is completely yours. So, for example, if you are staying in the dorm or apartment, students will share the facilities with other students, either by studying abroad or attending the university full time. Living with a local host family is another option, and one that is encouraged if you really want to master the local language. Many families will host more than one student if you are concerned about being completely alone. So you have an option of, and you always get an accommodation of your choice.
ओके, सो ये पॉकेट में भी आपका या फिर बजट पे भी डिपेंड करता है, राइट?
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely.
बट अकॉर्डिंग टू माय नॉलेज तो मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स जब वो शेयरिंग में ही रहते हैं, क्योंकि अपने वो शायद आई बिलीव कॉस्ट थोड़ा सा उनका बच जाता है शेयरिंग में एंड
बिल्कुल,
यस।
right. Country to country accommodation cost आता है. We will give you a detailed comparison and cost analysis while we were for next time when we will be talking about country specific queries. So stay tuned for that. We will come back with to you if you are looking for Canada, Australia, or US, New Zealand, whatever you need to know about, we will talk about everything.
डेफिनेटली, यस। एंड नाउ ये भी एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन है दैट आई डोंट फील सेफ गोइंग टू अनदर कंट्री। हम तो स्टेट चेंज करने में भी घबराते हैं, अगर मेरे को यहाँ से आप दिल्ली से बाहर बोलोगे बाहर जाना है, हम उसमें टेंशन में आ जाते हैं। बट यस, यहाँ तो कंट्री चेंज हो रही है, तो सबसे पहले स्ट्राइक ये पेरेंट्स के माइंड में भी करता है एंड स्टूडेंट के भी।
अगर स्टेट चेंज करने से घबराते हैं तो फिर स्टडी अब्रॉड आपके लिए नहीं है फॉर श्योर, राइट? बिकॉज स्टडी अब्रॉड के लिए तो आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा, व्हाट वी कॉल इट हिंदी सात समंदर पार, राइट? यू हैव टू फ्लाई एंड यू हैव टू गो. All study abroad programs available to students have been thoroughly checked in order to ensure student safety. In fact, governments and universities will not allow any program if there are any serious threats to well-being of students. So, हमसे ज़्यादा the government is responsible, to take care of your safety. They have to ensure your safety there,
Okay.
right? So, it's nothing to worry. There are millions and millions and millions of students studying overseas now. We have not heard of even, any, not even 0.5% of any issues a student would have faced there
Okay.
when it comes to safety.
सो इसमें हम स्टूडेंट की रेफरेंसेस भी दे दें, सपोज अगर स्टूडेंट्स आपके जैसे कनाडा में गए हैं पढ़ने के लिए, एंड कोई अभी यहाँ से फ्रेश स्टूडेंट जा रहा है, तो
बिल्कुल, we can. In fact, we have our representatives also
ओके
in Canada, USA. So these are our students who are now our ambassadors there, right? So अगर
ओके
आपको कोई भी requirement है, if you need anything, you will find somebody from Dynamic always available for the service. So there are a lot of volunteers who will be there, who will help you in any need which is required.
ग्रेट. Yes, and what if I don't graduate on time?
Very good question. Very good question. So if you don't graduate on time, that means you are not planning carefully, right? So anybody who is planning to study overseas, you have to take the necessary courses to graduate on time, plan well, and of course you should always reach out to school's academic advisor. They can help you plan your courses, double check your credits, ensure you stay on track to graduate on time. So there are students जो overseas जाके भूल जाते हैं कि हम पढ़ने के लिए आए हैं, and then they start, some of them start working very hard so that they feel that let's earn something, but they actually forget the main reason why they are in Canada or Australia or in that foreign land. The first thing you should justify is your education, because education is everything, is the biggest tool for you.
Yeah.
And that is the only thing which will help you achieve your long-term, vision. If you graduate on time, you will get an option to work, in good placement, you will get good placement opportunities, and with good companies will be able to work, right?
Yes.
So nothing that you cannot complete your graduation on time. This is just a myth. Please plan carefully, focus, stay focused, and you will, you will not face any such issues.
Okay. I can't study abroad during the pandemic.
Okay. Now, yes, I think today lakhs of students are thinking the same way. So this I can say is a very genuine myth, but still a myth. As of 2019, there were more than 8 lakh students who enrolled in universities across the world, right? 2020, the first 2 quarters were very slow because nobody knew what the future will be like, right?
Yeah.
But let me tell you that students would, the students who did not lost hope during that period as well. Can just give me a moment.
Yes.
Right. So the students who did not lost hope, and they were working on their applications parallelly even during the pandemic, were able to fly and for the JAM intake and September intake. I guess we have seen a track record of COVID coming back to us again in every first quarter, last quarter of the financial year, right? It's always between December, Jan, Feb, March, right?
Yes.
Post that things actually starts getting settling down. तो जितना भी फेयर होता है ना बच्चों को इस क्वार्टर में होता है जो उनका मेन प्रिपरेशन टाइम है. A lot of students have deferred their education. Jan intake में जाना था, September intake में जाना था. They're still waiting. पता नहीं क्या होगा. Will we be able to fly? Will we be able to study? जिनका रहेंगे नहीं रहेंगे. That's how the parents react. That's how the students are reacting, right? But seriously, we need to be very positive about anything, anything it come across. अगर हमने overseas education, we have to be determined. हमारा passion होना चाहिए. Yes, safety is a concern, but आपको डर कहाँ भी नहीं है. You don't have COVID in India. If you go out and in India to study in Indian university, you have that fear, right?
Yeah.
So why do we want to lose an opportunity on a fear of losing something which does not exist also as of now? You don't know आपको कोविड होगा नहीं होगा, क्या हमारे पास वैक्सीनेशंस होंगे, what will be the situation. Keep planning, complete your application, be ready, right? And you always have an option to defer in case the situation in the world is not going as per we want. But why do we want to lose a precious year only in the fear?
Okay.
So let us, I think every student should know that be come what may, let us keep preparing for our applications, keep working towards it, keep our visions clear, and then proceed.
ओके सो एक सजेशन मुझे यहाँ पे आपके एंड से चाहिए होगा सो व्हाट फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट जो कह रहे हैं कि हमें सिर्फ कैंपस क्लासेस ही चाहिए दे आर नॉट रेडी टू टेक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस
देखो, at some point I don't disagree with them,
ओके
but at some point, because then they lose international exposure, right? But every student who has taken the first 6 months in India, they're going for 2 years. Government is giving you an opportunity that you will not lose your postgraduate work permit.
ओके
Even if you're studying in India for a quarter or a semester, you will still be eligible for a complete postgraduate work permit. And it is also increasing the chances of enrollment. Chances of getting a visa approval. Because today, embassy has seen or got this opportunity to evaluate your profile basis, that you are only going there to settle down or you want to come back also. Or are you only going there to study and really gain that education? तो आप अगर enrollment यहाँ पे लेते ही नहीं हो, so we have seen an 80% rejection rate where students have not enrolled for their first semester. But जो 20% students ने enroll किया था, उन सबको visas मिलेंगे and they have not lost anything.
ओके सो यहाँ पे उन्होंने इंट्यूशन चेक करी है लाइक कि स्टूडेंट्स की एक्चुअल में पढ़ने के
उन्होंने intentionally नहीं की है, but now when as a visa officer I know that the students का intake September था, तो वो सिर्फ defer कर रहा है. So there might be an intention of not coming back to India, right? And that is the first rejection reason we get on our visa refusal letters. But when I have to compare it with a student जिसने online evaluation की online education enrollment लेके start कर दी है, जब उसने अपना visa apply किया तो उसको immediately option मिल गया, approval मिल गया.
ओके
Right. So it also determines or it also indicates your intention of returning back to your country and your intention to get a good quality education, right? Which increases the chance of visa approval.
ओके ओके थैंक यू सो मच ये अपडेट होना बहुत ज़रूरी था तो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स को पता चल गया होगा एक्चुअल में कि लाइक क्या रीजन है कब अप्लाई करना चाहिए तो डेफरमेंट इतनी मत लीजिए कि एक्चुअल में आपके इंट्यूशंस पता चल जाए बट यस
पता चल जाए. Yes, right. Intuition जो भी हो, we know that everybody wants to settle.
यस
But of course, the way, we should start the right way.
ग्रेट लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट यस सब्जेक्ट्स कि माय मेजर सब्जेक्ट इजंट ऑफर्ड अब्रॉड
See, all majors can be studied abroad. It's just a matter of researching the course options offered by different programs. Now, some programs focus on particular majors while others have a wide range of courses available to choose from. Now, many programs also have a large selection of courses to study, making it possible for students of any major to study abroad. So, you cannot say that I do not have the subject I'm looking at. It may be possible that some courses are offered in some particular country which are best. Like we say, mechanical is offered best in Germany. Engineering is best in Germany, right? STEM courses are best in USA. Logistics and supply chain best in Canada. Depending on the requirement and economy of the country as well.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So it isn't. This is just a myth that you will not find a course. If you really look forward to check, is the course available? You can always connect with us on the toll-free number which is being displayed right now, or on the email address which is being displayed right now, and get your profile evaluated at no cost.
ओके सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपकी क्वेरीज हैं स्टिल, अगर अभी कुछ भी बच गया, आई होप कि हमने 99% क्लियरिटीज दे ही दी हैं, बट स्टिल इफ यू हैव एनी एडिशनल डाउट सो प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट अस एंड our experts will, otherwise you can WhatsApp us and our experts will get back to you as soon as possible. एक्सपेंसिव, आई बिलीव ये हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, जैसे आपने मेरे को पहले बताया कि 3 लाख मिनिमम वो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है स्टडी का, बट ये स्टूडेंट का ये आता है कि इट्स एक्सपेंसिव, बट यस वो क्लैरिटी मिल चुकी है हमें.
हाँ, एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है ओवरसीज एजुकेशन. इनफैक्ट there are countries which offer you 100% free, tuition. You can secure a 100% scholarship.
Okay.
Like countries like Germany, Italy, Norway, there are a lot of universities, or in fact 80% of universities which will offer you a free education, right? We can help you secure one scholarship. So if you have anything you want to connect us with regarding your free education, how will you be able to secure your scholarship, please get connected to us, one of our experts.
ओके सो अभी थोड़ी हमारी क्वेरीज आई हुई हैं स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से.
Okay.
सो दिस इज अजीत फ्रॉम गुजरात. व्हाट इज द प्रोसेसिंग चार्जेस?
Zero. Yes, you heard it right. We do not charge students, as we are a students community. As the name goes, dynamic world education community, and our passion and our motto is students first. So we provide you unbiased evaluation and unbiased options of universities to choose from among 3,300 universities we are empaneled with. So there are no charges at all, right from evaluation to your visa processing or post landing services. We do not take anything from a student for the application process.
ओके सो ऐसा कुछ हिडन चार्जेस तो नहीं है तो जो बाद में पता चलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, आपने पहले ही बताया?
नहीं, बिल्कुल कोई हिडन चार्जेस नहीं है. आपको यू माइट कम अक्रॉस एजेंट्स जो बोलते हैं कि हम अभी आपको चार्ज नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन ऑफर आ जाएगा तो यू विल हैव टू पे अस 20,000 रुपी. हम अभी आपको चार्ज नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन वीजा आ जाएगा तो आपको 50,000 पे करना पड़ेगा. कुछ बोलते हैं जी आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए 10,000 पे करना पड़ेगा. No, we do not have any such charges. Yes, charges like your IELTS preparation, right? Charges like your any other competitive examination. अगर आपको SOP किसी expert से rewrite करवानी है हमसे, there are nominal charges against it. Okay. But no charges where we tell you that you have to pay us money for processing your application or giving you shortlistings or helping you secure an offer. Now, if we talk about countries like Germany or Italy, where we are capable of giving you or getting you 100% scholarship, there, yes, there are nominal charges, because we, of course, will not say that we are a non-profit organization. We also need to earn, but we do it in the right way, right? So, and in an ethical manner. So whenever there is an opportunity of getting your 100% scholarship, there is a proper agreement which is rolled out to you. Every terms and conditions are shared with you, and there are nominal charges, right? So okay. These are the costs involved in only for the free education. Otherwise, no charges.
Okay. So अजीत, आई होप आप कॉन्सेप्ट मिल गया होगा, बट यस अगर आपको और क्वेरीज हैं और कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, सो यू कैन कनेक्ट विद अस ऑन फोन. The second question is from Rahul. He is from Jaipur. I do not want to go alone. Basically, he wants to go with a spouse. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Which country he wants to go to?
He's UK.
UK. UK, yes, they sponsor spouse visa. You will be able to travel along with your spouse on a study permit, where you will be on study permit and they will be on dependent visa, right? But if it comes to UK, USA or Canada, your spouse will only be able to travel after 6 months of your stay. that's what is advisable. And because otherwise we have seen a lot of visa rejections nowadays. So also it depends on profile to profile. We need a proper evaluation. We need to evaluate your profile well, and then only we will be able to give you a proper answer.
ओके, सो दिस इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन जो हम मिस कर गए थे एक्चुअली, क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो मैरिड होते हैं, एंड किड्स भी, राइट, किड्स भी जा सकते हैं,
They can go
फैमिली,
on dependent visa.
ऑल डिपेंडेंट्स, ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सुनील फ्रॉम दिल्ली, वेयर इज योर ऑफिसेस?
Okay, so Dynamic World Education Community have more than 6 offices in India. So we have our head office in Vadodara.
Okay.
We have other options of locations, offices, branch offices in Delhi, Gurgaon, Chennai, Kochi, Mumbai, right?
Okay.
So for any queries you have, if you are in any of these cities, you can connect with us at our offices. However, we understand it is a pandemic world, and world has shifted towards technology, or it is a virtual world. We also have a video counseling feature available on our website. You can any time of the day book an appointment with one of our experts counselors, and they will be able to guide you and they will be able to help you evaluate your profile and get you an offer online also. That means right from the comfort of your home. You even without stepping out in this chilly winters, you do not need to come out. You can sit on your bed, just connect with us on the video call. We bring our offices to your home that way, and you can get a good counseling.
Okay. So friends, offices आपको पता चल चुके हैं. So if you are from Mumbai, Delhi, or from Gujarat, or South India, so yes, you can visit our office, and yes, you can meet the counselors there. Next question is Dheeraj from Mumbai. Do you provide IELTS coachings?
Yes, of course. We have a separate Dynamic Academy which provides coaching, IELTS coaching to the students. In fact, we also provide demo classes every day without any cost. So any student who is interested to take a free IELTS demo can connect with us, and we will actually guide you on how to proceed ahead. If you like the training, if you like the classes, your trainer, you can enroll.
So students gonna get all the opportunities under one roof, right? Like from
Yes.
starting till
That's what we are trying to get them everything what they need, a one-stop solution for all their overseas education needs.
ओके, तो बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है कि वो, जैसे कई स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं बाहर से आईएलटीएस करके आते हैं एंड सर स्कोर नहीं आया अब हमारा. सो ऐसा कुछ आप रहता है कि लाइक यस, जैसे स्टूडेंट्स को सपोज कनाडा यूके के लिए इतनी आईएलटीएस की रिक्वायरमेंट है, XYZ स्कोर.
Yes.
सो उसमें लाइक कैसे हेल्प, या कुछ शॉर्टी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कि यस कि हम ये आईएलटीएस करवा इतना स्कोर तो लाइक हेल्प कर देंगे.
गारंटी कोई किसी के भी नहीं दे सकता स्कोर्स के लिए. ये आप एक स्टूडेंट के डिटर्मिनेशन के ऊपर कंप्लीटली फॉलो करता है. We will be able to guide you best. We will able give you unlimited hours of practice sessions, unlimited hours of mock tests, right? And rest completely depends. Leave it on God. Give your best shot, and I'm sure that you will get your desired scores.
Great. Next question is from Prince, Bangalore. Which universities are you dealing with? UK and Canada.
See, almost every university. So there are more than 1,100 institutes from Canada we are dealing with.
Okay.
More than around 1,500 institutes from UK. So we have a portfolio of around 3,300 plus universities and institutions across the globe.
Okay. So Prince is asking for that. Do you have University of Sunderland and University of Chester?
Yes, we have both of them with us.
Okay. So Prince, yes, you can connect with us. So as ma'am said that we are dealing with 1,100 top universities across the globe. So yes, you can connect with us. Next question from Rahul. I have 7 years gap in my profile. Am I eligible for study abroad?
Yes, you are. Though few university options get limited there, but there are several universities and colleges, present globally. If it is, even if it is Canada, USA, or UK, you will still have an opportunity to study in a decent college in these countries.
ओके, सो मैक्सिमम हम गैप कितना, लाइक कंट्री वाइज डिपेंड करता है, या मैक्सिमम कितना गैप
मैक्सिमम जो
एक्सेप्ट कर सकते
नॉर्मल गैप एक्सेप्टेड होता है वो 5 years का होता है.
हैं? अच्छा,
और अनलिमिटेड देयर आर फ्यू ऑप्शंस जहाँ पे अनलिमिटेड भी आपको गैप जस्टिफिक, अगर आपके पास जस्टिफिकेशन है, यू हैव अ वैलिड वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, सो दे विल अलाउ यू टू स्टडी, राइट. द ओनली चैलेंज इज अ वीजा थिंग व्हिच वी नो, हाउ टू जस्टिफाई. So here we have somewhere 80% of success ratio when it comes to getting a visa for profiles where they have more than 10 to 15 years of gap as well.
ग्रेट. सो मीन्स राहुल के केस में तो अगर 7 years का गैप है, सो ही
तो 100%
शुड
वीजा
हैव.
सिक्योर हो जाएगा.
ओके, सो मीन्स
100%.
इनके पास जो गैप जस्टिफिकेशन के सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स होने चाहिए.
यस, जॉब अगर बच्चे ने एक्सपीरियंस, बच्चे के पास जॉब एक्सपीरियंस है और या वो कुछ और पढ़ रहे थे आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन, व्हाट दे वर डूइंग, गैप जस्टिफिकेशन इज अ मस्ट. बट
Okay. So yes, Rahul, you can proceed with the study abroad, and your profile is eligible for same. So आज के लिए इतनी ही queries आई थी हमारी, and thank you so
great.
much for for your
I
time and
just hope we were able to clear a lot of queries of our students. If they have any more queries, they can always connect with us. And of course, we are planning for another talk show in next 15 days. And then they have any queries, we will try and sort things out for them.
so is there any specific timing जब वो connect कर सकते हैं, या 24/7 availability है?
24/7 बोलना गलत होगा, but yes, they can connect us between 9:30 to 7:30 on our toll free number also. Email पे आप 24 hours 24/7 कभी भी email करिए, you will get a reward within 24 hours
Okay.
from our end.
Okay. So या वो एक कॉल कर दें, या एटलीस्ट एक मैसेज
या
भी
कॉल
कर दें,
कर
तो
दें,
surely we get
email कर
get
दें,
about it.
WhatsApp कर दें. We have
Okay.
WhatsApp numbers also available on the
Okay.
Facebook, Instagram. They can just connect with us over WhatsApp.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was very informative session. And I hope
Thank you
all the
so much.
students, get the clear picture about study abroad step by step. And I request you all, if you are targeting the recent coming intakes, so this is the right time to apply. I'm again requesting, if you're targeting September 2022 intake, then this is the right time to apply. And for one-to-one counseling, you can reach out on the numbers flashing on the screen. And yes, आपको numbers मिल गए होंगे, आप या तो email कीजिए, या WhatsApp, या you can call, or our counselors, will give you a one-to-one counseling, proper guidance related to particular country, if you're targeting Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, any European countries. Okay. And yes, one more thing, please do not forget to subscribe or share this video. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Stay
so
safe,
much.
stay healthy.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks. Bye.